Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all overseas Filipino workers, to all Filipinos here in the Philippines, Filipino Chinese community, the Chinese community, the business community here in the Philippines. Wherever you are in the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In my vlog today, I will not be talking an hour. But in my vlog today, I will do something. I want to say something important to all of you. I will be speaking in your mother tongue and in English, Tagalog and English, so that for all those people who have a hard time understanding English, okay, so all those people who have a hard time understanding English will understand what I will be talking about. Alright? Here we go. I will go directly straight to the point. Okay? I will go directly straight to the point. Here we go. So our vlog today will be fast because I and my friends had already prepared to go to the peaceful rally supporting our dear President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So my vlog today will be fast, precise, clear, and easy to understand, because my vlog today will be in English and in Tagalog language, your mother tongue. Alright? Alright, here we go. Let's go directly to the point. Okay. Today, March 15, 2025. We here in this organization, and as an individual, is inviting already all Filipinos, Filipino Chinese community to come join us in a prayer peace rally supporting our dear President Rodrigo Roa Duterte in Liwasang Bonifacio, 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. I am inviting everyone who is able and who can travel, come and join us in our strife against this abusive, corrupt, incompetent government. Tagalog. Kami sa organisasyon na to at bilang isang individual na nagmamalasakit di lang sa bayan, pati sa kapakanan ng milyon-milyong Filipino Chinese community at mga naninirahan sa Pilipinas, ay nananawagan na sumama po kayo sa aming prayer peace rally na gaganapin sa Liwasang Bonifacio alas 3 ng hapon hanggang alas 10 ng gabi. Ang organisasyon at ako ay naghahanda na po para pumunta sa peace rally na to. Sana po ang lahat ng may kakayahan, lahat ng makakapunta ay pumunta na ho sa rally na to. Ang laban po nito, mga sambayan ng Pilipino, ay para sa ating bansa, Republika ng Pilipinas. At ito din po ay para sa ating pinakamamahal na tatay at presidente, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Manindigan po tayo, sumama po tayo, lumaban po tayo sa abusadong, inutil, walang kakwenta-kwentang gobyernong Marcos. Maraming salamat po. So I hope in this vlog, it is not important to me that you press like, subscribe. If you do, thank you so much. However, my point here is the most important thing is we need you there right now. Physically, in Tagalog, mga sambayan ng Pilipino na nanonood sa vlog ko, okay lang kung mag-like, share, subscribe kayo sa vlog ko. Maraming salamat po. Pero mas importante po dito, nandun kayo sa rally. Nandun kayo mismo sa rally. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Hindi importante sa akin sa ngayong araw na to kung mag-like, share, subscribe kayo sa vlog ko lang. Okay lang, kahit na hindi. Ang pinaka-importante, makita ko po kayo. Nandun sa Liwasang Bonifacio. Kung saan maninindigan tayo. Itataas noon natin na kayo ay Pilipino. Tayo. Sila. Lalaban tayo. Lalaban tayo sa isang abusado, inutil, walang kakwenta-kwentang gobyerno ni Marcos na punong-puno ng kriminal at sindikato. Manindigan po tayo bilang isang Pilipino, isang lahi, isang bansa. Let us all go out physically in that rally. And let us all show this incompetent, stupid, worthless government of Marcos Jr. that we have the dignity. Do not forget what our President Rodrigo Roa Duterte had said. I am not a Filipino for nothing. In Tagalog, para sa mga Pilipinong hirap makaintindi ng Ingles, huwag niyong kakalimutan ang sinabi ng ating pinakamamahal na Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi tayo Pilipino dahil sa wala lang. Manindigan tayo, tumayo tayo, lumaban tayo ng mapayapa. Lumabas tayo, pumunta tayo sa mga rally kung saan man sa lugar niyo sa Pilipinas. Nagsimula na ho, naglabasan sa Kidapawan, sa Jolo, sa Butuan, sa Cebu, marami na hong lugar, etc. et al. Marami na ho, mga kaibigan kong Pilipino. Marami na hong naglabasan sa ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Ngayon po, sa Liwasang Bonifacio, sa Maynila po, ipakita natin kung gaano natin kamahal, sinusuporta ang ating pinakamamahal at ginagalang na tatay at Pangulo, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. In English, let us all come out and show our support, fight this incompetent, abusive government of Bongbong Marcos Jr. The rallies had already been happening all over the Philippines, in Kidapawan, in Butuan, in Cebu, and many areas and cities and municipalities in the Philippines right now. Let us all come out physically, not just online, not just here on the internet, but let us all come out wherever you are in the Philippines. Let us all, or in the world, let us all come out, make our voices heard, join the peace prayer, peace rally. Thank you so much. This is without any regards to religious belief. Whether you are a born-again Christian, you're a Roman Catholic Church, you're a Muslim, you're a atheist, all of us must come out. Silence is no longer an option. Para in Filipino language, ang pananahimik ay hindi na nararapat. Kailangan na nating lumabas, marinig ang ating karapatan, pinaglalaban at boses. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.